Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching the reverse helix. To do the reverse helix, you want to start first off by grabbing onto the bite handle, and you want to swing the safe handle on top of your thumb. And as you do this, you want to do a full rotation of what's called an open chaplain, and you want to grab onto the bite handle again. So when you do this, you're going to throw it up on top of your thumb, and you're going to let it spin all the way around until you can grab onto the bite handle again. And then from here, as soon as you do the spin, you want to put your index finger in instead of your thumb and let the momentum take it around your index finger. And then you want to put your thumb also on the safe handle, and from here let it fall. And then what you're going to do is just flip the handle around to where your thumb is now on the inside or in between the two handles, rather than before in between the safe handle and the spine of the blade. You want to switch it around to where your thumb is in between the two handles. And then from here, you're just going to simply do a underhanded Zen rollover. Alright, so recap. First off, start with the bite handle. You're going to swing it on the safe handle on top of your thumb. You're going to do one full rotation, and you're going to grab the bite handle again. And as you're doing this though, you really want to transfer the momentum onto your index finger and put it in between the handles. And as it's coming around a little bit more, then put your middle finger on the safe handle and your thumb. I meant to mention that before. And then after you do that, you can drop it down and then just flip the handle to where your thumb is now in between the two handles. And now just do an underhanded Zen rollover. And that's how you do the reverse helix. Thanks for watching. If the tutorial helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you learned it or if you have any questions. I'll see ya on the next tutorial.